Did you know it's really easy to make your own homemade cordials, particularly because you can create all different flavourings just like this one. My absolute favourite at the moment, it's my vanilla and lemon cordial, and it's fantastic for a refreshing drink. So I've just been zesting 3 lemons. We'll get back to them in a moment. In a pot, we want to add some water, so about 3 cups of water to 1 cup of caster sugar. And we want to bring this up to the boil and dissolve that sugar. Now we can add our vanilla. Now this is vanilla extract, and vanilla extract is used for frostings and cupcakes. It's also great to flavour cordials just like this because we are going to get a lovely intense vanilla flavour. And this particular vanilla extract is quite unique because it has vanilla seeds through it. So we'll see the little speckles of vanilla throughout our cordial. So I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons into our liquid. I'll give that a stir. And I'm also going to add these dried lemon verbena leaves. Now this is totally optional. I just happen to have some in my pantry, so in they go. This is also going to reinforce the lemony flavour in our cordial. Okay, that sugar has dissolved nicely, so we can add our lemon zest in and the juice of 3 lemons. So I'm just going to cut these in half. This is really to taste with the lemon. If you want quite a strong flavour, then you can add some more. And I'll just squeeze them directly into the pan. And ideally you want this to steep for about half an hour, just so all of those flavours can mingle. The last ingredients though I will add is some tartaric acid. This is going to act as a preservative for our cordial. So we'll just add that to dissolve, heat goes off, and we'll just let that sit there and cool. Right, that cordial has cooled down, so I'm just going to strain it through a sieve so we can catch all those lemon verbena leaves. Take that out and look at that gorgeous colour. And the best way to serve this is just in a lovely decorative glass, a little bit of cordial down at the bottom, and I like it with mineral water. It's also fantastic as a base for cocktails. Let's have a taste. So good. It's not too sweet. I can taste the lemon, I can taste the vanilla and the lemon verbena. A fantastic homemade cordial. And for the rest of this, well, I like to store it in a cute bottle like this. And because we've added that tartaric acid, this will last for weeks.